The cat's at it again. This time he's in the bathtub. Oh, hey, Ollie. Open the curtains. There you are. Is he going in? Oh my God, he's in the toilet. He's in the bathtub. Ollie, what do you think of being in the bathtub? Hey. You don't want me to turn the water on now, do you? Ollie, I hope you like water. Can you make him? Alright, where's the... You know what, screw it. I'm not gonna do it. Ollie, are you getting out of the tub or no? Ollie, wait. Well, there he goes, out of the tub. Who knows what adventures he'll be up to next. Look at him sniff. Oh, he heard me. Hey, Ollie. Do you want to say hi to our audience? Oh, no, Pete, he's shy. Look at Ollie go down the stairs. Silly kitty. It's not my cat, by the way. It's someone else's house. Silly kitty. Hey, jump for the audience. Jump for the audience. Ollie, you gonna do it? Come on, Ollie, jump. Come on, Ollie, jump. Jump, Ollie, jump. Oh, what's he trying to do now? Go on, Ollie, jump. Jump, Ollie, jump. What is he doing now? Now he's inspecting the railing. First he was inspecting the toilet, now the bathtub, and now the railing for the stairs. Silly Ollie. What is he up to now? The mysterious. Ooh. Ollie's on drugs. There's catnip in here. Look at this. Ollie, look. Hello. Look at him go. Look at him go. Ollie, up here. Up here, Ollie. Up here. Look at him whack at it. Hey, up here. Up here, Ollie. Just have your stupid toy. Look at him. Look at him get gay with it. Well, Ollie. Ollie. Look at him snuggle with it. Cat on catnip. Gay cat. Oops. Alright. Ollie, you still want your toy? You still want your weed? There you go. Look at him play. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. Cause I'm a badass. Ollie's wife is a mouse. Alright, enough about Ollie. Let's see now. Where's the catnip at? I think we should give him a sniff. Or should... he doesn't want to play with the bird. Oh, what the heck? No catnip. Where'd you put it? You know what we should do? Hey, Ollie, you know what we're gonna do now? We're gonna raid the refrigerator. That sucks. Ooh, we're gonna give Ollie some ice. Oh, no ice. Oh well. Ollie. Well, I guess that concludes Ollie's adventures. Look at him. Hey, Ollie, do you want to play with this? Ollie, what's this? Want to play with it? Roll over. Look, see the camera? Play with it, Ollie, play with it. The cat's ass. Well, what's this, Ollie? What's this? Oh, cats. Cats, hey, do you want to play? Do you want to play, Ollie? Ollie, look. Oh, looks like Ollie doesn't want to be bothered by balls. Alright. Everyone say bye to Ollie. He's a good kitten. Nuzzling with his little catnip mouse.